Hey and welcome back. Since it has been a while, we decided to discuss the top ergonomic keyboards of 2024 in today's video. Ergonomic keyboards, like everything else in the modern world, take things a step further and cater to users who prioritize comfort and productivity over all other factors. It can be confusing to select the best ergonomic keyboard for your needs because they have so many different forms and sizes. So this video lists the best ergonomic keyboards in 2024 to help you make that choice easier. Nulea RT05B. This keyboard's dual-mode Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless ergonomic functionality provide you the freedom to switch between devices with ease. For a more efficient experience, you can quickly switch between devices whether you're at work or play. With the distinctive split design of the Nulea ergonomic keyboard, you can change to a more natural typing posture. It ensures comfort and lessens strain during extended typing sessions by adjusting to the natural posture of your hands. On top of that, you could enjoy the ultimate in comfort from the large wrist rest on this keyboard, which is made of plush, skin-friendly leatherette. It gives your wrists enough support, reducing weariness and strain. Besides that, you may easily adjust the angle at which you type. 3 distinct support tilt positions are available for this keyboard, so you may customize it to your liking and guarantee ergonomic alignment. Last but not least, this ergonomic wireless keyboard has an amazing 200-hour battery life that guarantees continuous productivity. Arteck. This Arteck Ergonomic is a USB wired keyboard with cushioned wrist and palm rest. Its split design facilitates a natural, comfortable wrist and forearm position. With the keyboard's cozy wrist rest, you can relax and enjoy typing by resting your wrist on the padded palm. You can customize the keyboard to fit your preferred typing angle thanks to its 4 integrated foldable legs. Its low-profile, whisper-quiet keys increase your fingertips' comfort level significantly. What's more, keep all your most used functions and media controls closer than ever Windows dedicated hotkeys. This scissors kick keys structure allows for more than 3 million continuous uses. In addition to that, we loved its sophisticated LED backlight, which has 2 brightness settings and 7 distinct colors to make typing even more fun and visually stunning. Lastly, to set up the keyboard, all you have to do is plug the 1.8mm USB wire into your desktop or laptop computer. From there, you may use the keyboard right away. The cable is 6 feet or 1.8 meters long. You can quickly access frequently used features like brightness, playback control, volume level, and more. As well as, it has a number pad and arrow buttons with a small, sleek design. Logitech Wave. For those who are new to ergonomic keyboards, the wireless Logitech Wave keys are a good starting point. It's incredibly useful, simple to use, and, perhaps most importantly, affordable. The keyboard's curves, which include 2 dips next to it and a small ripple in the middle, not only give it a unique appearance, but the indents also gently position both hands so that they are comfortable distances apart. The layout of the keyboard is curved like a bow. The board has a small appearance and feel because to the rounded corners and angled keys. I couldn't help but think of tighter 10-keyless keyboards when I was typing, like the recently released Razer Black Widow V4 75%. Nonetheless, the Wave keys is still a full-size keyboard with a separate number pad located on the right side. Also, the wrist rest is entirely built into the board, in contrast to the Logitech Ergo K860. The keyboard is significantly smaller than the Logitech MX keys, measuring 1.2 x 14.8 by 8.6 inches. It weighs slightly less at 1.6 pounds when the 2 AAA batteries are included. The plastic casing of the keyboard doesn't feel cheap either. Arteck Split. The Arteck Split. Ergonomic keyboards, cutting-edge design, and intuitive functions provide unmatched comfort and productivity. Because of its split ergonomic layout, typing for extended periods of time is less taxing and uncomfortable because the wrists and forearms are easily positioned in a natural, relaxed posture. It is improved with a plush padded wrist rest that offers extra comfort and support, making typing more pleasurable. Any Windows desktop, laptop, or computer can be easily configured by inserting the nano USB receiver, which allows for immediate use without the need for laborious installation procedures. This keyboard is very unique because of its remarkable 6-month battery life, which is provided by a rechargeable lithium battery and guarantees continuous typing for long stretches of time. Combining ergonomic design, comfort, and convenience, the Arteck Split. Ergonomic keyboard is the perfect choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking to optimize their typing experience. X9 Perfomance. This Wave keyboard encourages a natural hand position for less strain and fatigue, in contrast to a standard laptop keyboard that forces your hands to type in an uncomfortable manner. Of course, spending a lot of time on a computer might be taxing, but there is a fix for this keyboard. This ergonomic split keyboard's user-focused design will help you handle your workload with minimal wrist pain. The connected computer keyboard's built-in cushion offers much-needed typing support. The keys will be at eye level with your hand for increased comfort and productivity. You'll be more productive with its full-sized 110-key layout, 17 shortcuts, and numeric keypad. This wired PC keyboard is plug-and-play and also features an adjustable kickstand and LED indications. Finally, we spoke with their manufacturer, who told us how much they appreciate the satisfaction of their customers. Thus, in addition to their ergonomic wired keyboard, you will also get lifetime support and a 2-year warranty. ProtoArc. This ProtoArc backlit wired ergonomic keyboard is the last item on the list. With its 3 adjustable brightness levels, 30%, 60%, and 100%, this wired ergonomic keyboard's soft white LED backlighting makes it possible for you to type comfortably in low-light conditions without endangering your eyes. This split keyboard's curved and split keyframe design encourages a more relaxed, natural posture for your forearm and wrist, and offers superior comfort for prolonged typing. Compared to other basic keyboards without a wrist rest, this one's curved wrist rest with soft memory foam layer provides typing comfort with more wrist support and less wrist bending. Whether typing while seated or standing, the 4 adjustable tilt legs of the keyboard position it at the ideal angle to maintain a pleasant and relaxed typing posture for your wrist. As soon as you insert the USB cable into your computer's USB port, the well-equipped backlit ergonomic keyboard will begin to function. No additional drivers are needed. Plug and play, no hiccups or delays. With a USB port, the wired ergonomic keyboard is compatible with desktop, laptop, and notebook computers running both Mac and Windows operating systems. And all it takes to change the system is one button press. And with that, we come to an end. We hope you found a great pair that fit your demands and price range. All of these product links are included in the description below. Check it out to get the greatest deals on Amazon. Until then, bye. We'll see you in the next.